Just look at me. Do you like what you see? No makeup anyway. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Vick, and if this is your first time of visiting, you are super welcome. This is Vick channel. We'll review the right products. We'll tell you what to use on your skin. We'll tell you how a product works before you make a purchase. Okay, so if you're new here, you're super welcome. Thank you so much for choosing my content. And if you're an existing subscriber, a returning subscriber, I really want to appreciate you. Thank you so much for choosing my content once more. Let's go straight to the video. Okay, this is called Francoise Bedon Makes. I'm going to be reviewing this product with the oil. I'm going to be telling you everything you need to respect and how this product works and how to use it. So sit right back and watch to the end. This is actually a French word, Francoise Bedon. I may not pronounce it the right way, but that's a French word, and it's actually produced in Paris. How do we use Francoise Bedon? How do we use Francoise Bedon? First of all, I have to admit personally that I have gotten about 2 containers of those cream. First of all, when I bought this cream, I need to tell you how my body was. I was light. I had patches. Like the patches I mean is I had hyperpigmentations, meaning that my leg was darker than my body, my head was darker than my body, my hand was darker than my body. Like I had an unbalanced skin tone. Okay, I had this unbalanced skin tone. So I've been looking for, because I have different skin combinations, so I've been looking for a cream that suits my skin, not gonna bleach me, not gonna tone me, not gonna make me dark, but just going to balance my complexion and give me that ebony skin I've always desired. And so when I went to I saw this cream in a pharmacy, and I decided to get it. So trust me, when as I started using this cream, I'm just gonna bring the other container. This is the first one I bought, so it's almost finished, and I decided to buy this one. Okay, so this is the first one I bought. You can see it's a bit watery because I added oil to it, and this is still very thick because I've not added anything to it. So what this cream does on the body is, number one, it repairs your skin, it balances your complexion. I'm not saying it to convince you, I'm trying to tell you what you will see, what you will expect when you're using this cream. It balances your complexion. If you're dark, it brightens you up gradually. It does not bleach, it does not make you fair, it just tones you up and give you this ebony looking, glowing, balanced skin. I can tell you that this cream balanced my complexion. Just look at my hand, how it is, and my feet was, you know, balanced, and all my skin lined. What this cream does is it repairs your skin, it uniforms your complexion. Let's just call it uniformity. This cream uniforms your skin and give you a glowing, popping, melanin skin. Trust me, even if you're fair and you're using this cream, it will repair your skin, to retain your skin. It will not make you dark, it will make you fair, but it will make you beautiful. Honestly, for me, for this cream is very expensive. For me to have this one is not almost finished, and I went to buy another. You should know that the cream is beautiful. You should know the cream is nice. I'm not paid to advertise it, but I'm trying to give you a review, a candid review, honest review. Okay, so what this cream does is that it repairs your skin, it unifies your complexion, it makes you glow as an ebony skin. It gives you this, you know, if you've been struggling with different creams, honestly, if you can see the original of this one, because this one I'm holding right now is original. Now, how do you spot the original? I know you may be wondering. The original is very thick and have the signature here. Sorry, here it's written. Okay, this is it. I'm sorry, the Francoise we don't have different. I'm sorry I didn't mention that earlier. Francoise we don't have different. Should I have said different fragrances or different ones? But this is called Francoise Bedon Makes. So this is called Francoise Bedon Makes. So the one I'm reviewing right now is Makes. And if you are looking for these qualities I outlined, if you're dark skin, you want to glow, you want to glow, you want your skin to pop up, you want your skin to blend, you want to look soft, you want to look sweet, you want to look awesome, you want to look all beautiful like men, without patches, without bleaching, without tone issues. you can go for the Puissance. They have Francoise Bedon Carrot. That's for those of us who are fair, but I'm not going to be reviewing that here because I haven't used it. So I will tell you what I have used and what I've observed others use. Okay, I am not talking about that. So we're talking about Puissance. Okay, this cream, if you're able to get the original, you will enjoy your skin. It's one of the cream that I do not regret buying. It does not give stretch mark. In case you don't have an existing stretch mark, it will be fading it out. Like, your skin will be beautiful. Just look at me that is talking. No makeup. Meanwhile, so sweetheart. Now this is the serum. What do I do with the serum? What I do is that this is a Francoise Bedon Puissance serum. I'm using a complete set of it. Okay, so what I do with the serum is this. I mix the bowl. I mix half of. I divide this cream into two. When I divide it into two, I mix half of the serum in the divided cream. That's what I do. I'll mix half, and I use this sometimes I use it in the night, sometimes I use it in the daytime if I'm not going under the sun. But though it does not react negatively on the sun anyway, because I've been using it in the daytime, it does not burn the skin. So even if you're using it and be going out, no problem, it doesn't burn the skin. Okay, so I mix it. I mix the two. Half of the serum, just look. Now if you observe, we still have you seen it? We still have half remaining, half in the same. We have half left. This is because we missed it in this particular place. So this half now, I'm going to be using it. I'm going to be using it later. The remaining half. I hope you understand. Divide the cream into two. Mix half serum into it. Keep the remaining one. When the other one you miss finish, you miss the remaining half. Good. So that is it. And this is the Francoise Bedon Puissance soap. I had to quickly do this video because the soap is almost finished, but I needed to show you the original as well. Now you can see they are bearing the same signature. You have to be conscious of this. And the write-ups are fainted, like they are not so dark, like I don't know how fake ones may be like, but I'm just trying to give you the highlight you need. And then the soap, this is the remaining part of the soap. I've used it to this level. This is what is remaining in the soap. I've used it so much, so I just needed to do the video before the soap finishes. And look at it, has these dots. It has these dots, this scrub in it, so, and it stays with the soap till the very end of the soap. Okay, and that's it for this particular thing. Now there's a cheat I do. That's if you want to tone, if you want to be fair, this is the cheat. Remember this first one I showed up is the full review of Francoise Bedon. Now this is the cheat here. This is the cheat for those of us who still want to be lighter, very fair. This is QI Paris as well. QI Paris. This is called QI Paris Quality Extreme Intense or Innovator. So what I do is I divide this cream into two. I divide this Francoise Bedon into two. In one cup. Let me show you practical. Let's say this is it. This is a plate. I'm gonna be dividing it into two. You see how thick the original is. So the next thing I'll do when I divide it, is I mix this serum QEI Paris Quality Extreme Intense or Innovator. So I mix it like this. I mix it. I'm not going to divide it fully into two right now because I still have the one I'm using. This just for practical. So when I mix the oil with it, I mix it with the Francoise Bedon. This is for those of us who want to be fair. So you use this alone at night. You use only this one at night. While the Francoise Bedon, you use this one at night. That is Francoise Bedon and the QEI oil at night when you're going to bed. That is if you want to be fair. If you want to be fair, use it like this at night. Okay, that is it. But then you use this one these two, when you miss it in the daytime, you use the two. So you mix this two and use it in the daytime. Remember that this is what Francoise Bedon recommended. This, you should use it as a set. So the other one is just a cheat. You must not use it, but for you it's if you want to be fair. But this one alone is enough to give you everything you need. It will beautify your skin. That's all about Francoise Bedon Makes. This is all you need to know. It's for ebony skin. It repairs the skin, it uniforms. It's for ebony skin, it repairs the skin, it uniforms the skin. It makes your skin look well toned, balanced, glowing, and uniform. It glows the skin, gives it this popping look, and really makes you look beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please tap the subscribe button right away to become part of the Vick channel, and also turn on the notification bell. I want to see more on this channel. I hope you love my videos. Please do well to check out some of my recently uploaded videos. You may love them as well. Bye.